Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your ASUS ROG Swift VG32. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the monitor's display setting on your Windows. Click on the advanced display setting, and basically from there you have the refresh rate. I suggest you choose the highest number possible, which is going to be 240. And I suggest to also use the DisplayPort because it provides higher resolution and it supports those higher refresh rates. Right after, let's then apply the setting by simply accessing the OSD controls, which is going to be the on-screen setting. You want to use the joystick beside your monitor in order to do this. And this is the best overall for gaming. Refresh rate is going to be 180. Now adaptive sync is going to be on. The game visual racing mode, the variable overdrive level 3, the ELMB is off, and the shadow boost is off. Now for picture setting, set your brightness to 45 or 50, but of course it can depend on your room lighting. Contrast 80, color temperature normal, vivid pixel 0, saturation 50, and the blue light filter is going to be off. For FPS gamers out there, refresh rate is going to be highest, variable overdrive level 3, adaptive sync on, and shadow boost is level 1. LMB and HDR is both going to be turned off. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.